Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. We focus on the short term here. We broke briefly the important level here, and I think that increases the chances of coming down directly without seeing one more leg up. Generally, as you know, my focus for ADA is on a new low, and it might finally go that way. So we are looking here at the chart, and we started to count 5 waves down from the recent high at 46.4 cents, and we said this here was probably a wave 1, this a wave 2, this a wave 3, this a wave 4, and the wave 5 down. And from here then we started to move up in what could be a wave A in a WXY pattern. A wave A, then a wave B, and the wave B itself consists of WXY, which means that the wave Y is ABC in itself. From here, we could see another wave C to the upside, range maybe target around 45 to 46 cents, okay? But I told you in the previous video that if we, and that is an important level, the 78.6% fib level, if we drop below that, 42.2 cents, it increases the chances that we will not see a new high here. Yeah, bear in mind, even if we do that, even if we see a new high, it would not be bullish. It would just sort of be an extension of the correction. So at the moment, we just need to see which levels are broken, but because the most recent swing low was broken, in my opinion, it increases the chances to come down straight away. Yeah, and then also to break here the 41.7 cent level. If we break below 41.7 cents, I think we go down quite quickly. Then the wave 2 scenario is invalidated anyway, okay? Because this is a wave 1. If this is a wave 2, we should not go in any way below this wave 1. I mean, yes, there are scenarios where a wave B can come down lower and then still go up, but it is just rare, and we're looking for the ideal patterns here, aren't we? So at the moment, I'm leaning towards a direct sell-off because we briefly broke the 42.2 cent level and it doesn't seem we're reclaiming it. So that's an important level. You can see we're dancing on that level, how relevant that level was, yeah? Dancing around that level. And how would that be possible to say, okay, we come down straight away? Well, we would have to say wave 2 was actually finished here. That is how I had it in the beginning. And then we would say that this here was we're already in the 5 wave move to the downside. 1, 2, 3. Problem here is that this move down isn't really impulsive. So again, this could become a wave 1 and another wave 2 and then come down. But for me, it's waiting here, yeah, at the moment. It would be, in giving it a move above the 42.9 cent level, so that wave B would again increase the likelihood of going up in wave C of 2, but we're not there yet. Yeah, and first of all, I would want to see the evidence in price. So the problem is we have come down far enough to say it's now more likely to come down straight away, but not really to dismiss the scenario that we go up in a wave C before we come down. So at the moment, this is, first of all, it's not a very exciting chart, and then my view is we come down lower anyway. So either we take the diversion via an extended wave 2, or we come down straight away. And as soon as we break below 41.7 cents, I think we are coming down. Then that would take out here an important support area. Then we've got the 40.3 cent level as next support, and then 38 cents. But I think we are then already rolling in wave 3 here to the downside. That would take us into the region around 36 cents. And then overall, I think we are in this 5 wave move to the downside at the moment. At least that's what I can see. And it could take us to around 29 to 30 cents, which is the 88.7% fib level of the entire, or of the last larger ADA cycle. So it's a very, very important level. So yeah, all eyes need to be on these levels to confirm the wave count or invalidate it. But yeah, for me, at the moment, the way this looks is downside is expected. And also we can draw a new trend line, which is always helpful, also short term, to determine where are we going. At the moment, this trend line is pushing down. Yeah, we're basically in a channel. If we break above that trend line, that might be a first indication we are pushing a bit higher. Then next resistance is 42.9 cents. And if we break that, then there is a realistic chance to go higher here in wave C before we come down. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.